Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my plantain chicken wrap. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use: seasoned chicken breast, lettuce, seasoned flour, tomatoes, tortilla wrap, and ripe plantain. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel my plantain. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my plantain in 2 halves. Then I'm gonna slice up the plantain. You can slice the plantain whichever way you like. And there you have it, my plantain are all sliced up. Now I'm gonna coat my chicken breast in some flour, and then I'm gonna place it on a dry plate. You can also use frankfurter slices. I'm just gonna go ahead now and fry my coated chicken breast in some hot oil. And I want all sides to be brown, golden brown. I'm gonna show you what it looks like after it has fried. So now I'm just gonna go ahead now and fry my ripe plantain, and I want it to brown on both sides. And I'm gonna leave them to brown, and I want both sides to be brown as well. So now I have my golden brown chicken breast. I also have my plantains. And I have my tortilla wrap, and I place it on a cutting board. I'm just gonna add some plantain to the tortilla wrap. Then I add some of the chicken breast. Tomato. And then I'm just gonna use my hand to put on some of the lettuce. And now I'm just gonna roll everything together. This wrap is perfect for breakfast, lunch, and if you want it for dinner as well, you can go ahead. I'm just using my finger to push in the sides. Ensure that nothing is coming out. Then I'm going to use 2 toothpicks to put in both sides, and I cut it in half. And there you have it, my plantain chicken wrap. And there you have it, guys, my plantain chicken wrap. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, share with a friend, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.